When we enter into covenant, we enter into relationship. By accepting His law, His instructions, and His way of life, we are acknowledging that His ways are correct and perfect. It's not saying that we ourselves are perfect, it's simply admitting that our Creator knows better than we do. Psalm 19 verse 7 says the following: the Torah, the law of our Creator, is perfect, converting the soul. His commandments were never given to burden us, but to guide us into life, wisdom, and blessing. Following His instructions is an act of trust and humility. It's saying, not my will, but yours. Every step of obedience is a declaration that we want to walk as our Messiah walked, not to earn salvation, but because we love our Creator and desire to follow Him with our whole life. May you be blessed.